What's up and welcome to the vlog. Today I am doing another room transformation. Now I do these like all the time, but I got super inspired one day. I was just doing my school and I was like, you know what? I don't know that blue is doing it for me anymore, because if you don't know, my room is currently blue. It's got white and blue walls. It's white and then there's green. It's very cool toned. And then my mom said something and she's like, well, yeah, you've always been a warm toned person. And I was like, she's right. That actually makes a lot of sense. I am like a warm toned person. Eyeshadow, for example. So I got a lot of inspiration and I'm currently working on a project with my friend Maya, and she sent me a Pinterest board of a type of room that she wants, and I'm helping her redo her room. That will be a video in another time. It's a big project, and the exact style that she has that she wants me to do for her is actually the exact style that I've been wanting to try myself. So I was like, why not give it a try in my own room, and that way I have practice for Maya and I also have a new room. My goal with this room is to not spend any money. I spend so much money and I just want to do this room completely with the things I already have, other than paint. We're gonna need to buy paint, but that's usually not too expensive, and my family is all artists, so we use paint a lot, so it's worth it. Here is basically an average Pinterest board of what the style is. It's very bohemian, it's warm toned, it's lots of different shades of orange and terracotta and kind of a coral color. It's very minimalist, so we gotta go get paint. And then a big thing I want to do is move around the furniture. There's a lot of furniture configurations that I haven't tried yet in this bedroom, and I want to try something new. I feel like that's what's really gonna make it feel brand new. And then we're just gonna switch out carpets and colors and candles and stuff like that. Stay along, and at the end of the video I will be doing a finished tour, and I'm really excited. So let's get on with it. I feel like we should have a really warm and dark color for the one right here. You guys, we are making some amazing progress. So here we have the circles. These will need another second coat, and obviously this light is very unflattering. Daylight will look a lot better. Then we have this. It's coming together just like my Pinterest board. I'll know I'm not the best hands-on person, so my mom's gonna be painting this whole entire thing white and doing the circle effect around my bed. I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous to see how it looks just because I love this blue. The thing is, I feel like the blue never exactly clicked, so I'm excited to see it white with that color. The sad thing is I have to go to bed because it is a school night, and so I don't get to see her doing it all together, and you guys don't get to see, so it's just kind of sad. Guys, this is my first time waking up in my new room. I slept amazing last night. Let's get up and let's get back to work. Ugh. Let's get back to business, y'all. Welcome to my makeup stand. This is my new tripod. I love it. It's definitely not a bunch of candles stacked on each other. So I am very excited because today we are finishing up the room. There's a lot of, well, not a lot. There's a few things that we need to just kind of finish up to finalize everything, and then y'all will be seeing the finished full room tour. I'm very excited. Sleeping last night was amazing. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow off camera because it's too stressful to be filming and do eyeshadow. Eyeshadow's hard. Jealousy. I'm back. Listen to a podcast about murderers. Okay, so here's how my room is looking. I really want to use my Polaroid somewhere because I love when I look at my photos and I'm like, oh, so sweet. So I got this string and I actually have these little pegs from last time that I put Polaroids up. I don't know if I'll have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me look for some more. Okay, I can't find any more of these little pegs, which is kind of sad, but that's okay. So I just gotta choose. So I definitely want these two. Abby, I probably don't need that one because it's just a selfie. That one's from a long time ago. That's cute. That's from a long time ago. That's from a long time ago. But this one's also cute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get one more. We'll do this one. Guys, I don't know where to put it. So I literally could not find anywhere to do the Polaroids. I decided to try it here just because why not? I did it here, but there's like a really thick piece of wall right here and nothing was tacking in. It looks pretty bad, so I'm gonna take it down, but the idea still remains. If you guys want to make a cute little Polaroid wall, it really only takes these 3 ingredients, and I just hung it with Tic Tacs, or what are these called? Like pins or whatever. I take it down, but if y'all wanna do this, you totally should, because it's really cute, and the rope actually matches the color scheme of the room, which is cool. Okay guys, I changed my shirt just for the finished tour, but I believe that my room is completely done and completely ready, and I'm really excited. Keep in mind, we didn't spend any money other than paint. All of this is reused items. And it only took us 2 days. Well, okay, about 3 days. Here we go. Little corner over here, I put my body mirror because everyone's got to be able to see how they look. I have a little stand for my backpack, which conveniently enough, this is actually one of the most practical things I've ever had. It is so nice. So I would totally recommend getting one of these. I have this painting that my mom did. It's inspired by an exact Pinterest photo. I think this is like a replica of a photo I saw on Pinterest, although it is long ways instead of a square. Right here, I put a map because I'm so educated. Over here is the wall for my bedroom. Of course, we have the painting that mom did. Mom is a trooper. She did most of this. My bed, which actually stayed the same. It's very light, very beige, you know, very plain colors. Up here we have the IKEA floating shelf. I really wanted to get rid of this, but I think it just looks bare without it. So we got a little orange plant to kind of bring in that orange. Then we have a beige painting to complement the pillows. Here, this is one of my favorite changes about the room is having my own like bedside table, because in most cases my bed has something next to it, but it's not necessarily like a bedside table. It's just like a chair. So now I have a perfect place to place my phone and my water and my glasses all at nighttime. It's also adorable, and recently I did a TikTok of me cleaning out these drawers so they're completely empty, which will be nice because I'm sure over time as I start moving things around they will get filled up. Right here, I've actually kept this in this exact spot for like almost a lot of my room transformations in the past because it's just so practical. You can put books and glasses and random things in here. I usually keep it bare, but I wanted it to look more colorful because without this, it's just like completely empty and boring. My mom actually did this. She's amazing at painting. Then we have the vanity. I actually changed my opinion. This is my favorite place. I did my makeup this morning, as you guys saw, and it was the nicest experience. I had my window opened, I had my little mirror, I was doing my makeup, I had coffee. It was incredible. Sadly, the lighting is a little unfortunate right here because it's going against the window, but when you turn around, this is the lighting. So it's pretty amazing. I'm really glad that I have a really nice makeup station. Now that I've been taking my makeup more seriously, it's nice to have really good lighting because originally my vanity was about like this. So it was always darker on this side and lighter on this side, and it was just hard to do my makeup. Over here is this wall. So I love the style of doing basically like an oval around a piece of furniture to really make it look so much more special and put together than it really is. I just put a bunch of plants and books. It was very fun styling. So we just have some of these plants. These are from IKEA. I think this one's from Target. I really love the whole like vine, like long plants look. Put some orange and brown books here with a little cactus, some plants, some more books. Then we have my desk. This was a really big change for me because my desk has been right here for so long, but now it's in this corner, and I did school yesterday and I actually loved it. It's really nice, really simple. I took off the blue mat, I took off all the candles and everything, though it's literally just my computer. I decided to put this blanket that we already had onto the chair to bring in the color. Then of course over here we have my mom's painting. We got like the circle, the geometric look. It looks like from behind. The thing I did put on here was this little trash can with pens. I need to fill this up more. Down here, the rug I'm using is from World Market. It's so pretty. All the colors match perfectly. I can't believe we had this. This is my room. I hope you guys like it because I will be vlogging in here, of course, as I always vlog in my bedroom. I'm so happy with my room. I love this new little lifestyle and this change is so amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you check out my shop, my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube, and all of the things. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!